Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. Azalea is one of the most beautiful flowering plants that starts to bloom from February end onwards. Here in this video we are going to take a look at how to get lots of flowers on azalea plants. In case your plant is not blooming, I am sure that this video is going to help you. Here you can see one of my azalea plant which is blooming very well. It still has lots of buds which are yet to bloom. The main advantage of azalea is that it doesn't need lots of direct sunlight. Actually filtered sunlight is more preferred, or else direct sunlight, let's say for 2 to 3 hours or even 1 to 2 hours is more than enough. The very first important thing to know is azalea needs acidic soil. If the soil is not acidic enough, it's not going to grow and bloom well. Normally this is how I do it. Here I have two parts. Left one is 70% and right one is 30%. The 30% is the dried leaves and I have few components in that 70%. To understand this thing easily, please consider 70% as 100% and components would be 40% garden soil, 30% vermicompost, 20% cocopeat and 10% perlite. Instead of perlite, we can also use sand. I can understand that it may be difficult to collect dried leaves. In that case, please do like this way. Three components in equal part. First one is normal garden soil. Second one is sand and last one is vermicompost. In case you are going to do this way, please avoid two things. Number one, avoid using clay soil. And on second, please avoid using cocopeat. Azalea needs loose kinds of soil and it should not retain moisture for much longer time, or else plants may die after some days. Soon I would also discuss about how to make the soil acidic. The second important thing is lack of light. As I already said, azaleas are going to do well in filtered sunlight. I keep my plants in balcony itself and they get filtered afternoon sunlight. The next important thing to know is about how to fertilize. Azaleas are not fast growing plants like bougainvilleas or even hibiscus, so it doesn't need high dose of fertilizers. Well, I have to admit that I apply high dose of fertilizers for my hibiscus and bougainvilleas. It's because they are old plants and I also use huge pots. For my azalea plants, I use this seaweed extract once in 15 to 20 days. Dose is 5 ml in 1 liter water. Instead of this, we can also use NPK 19-19-19. Dose would be half teaspoon in 1 liter water and we can apply once in 25 to 30 days or even once in 30 to 45 days. Now here is one important thing to apply in case your plant is not blooming. It's Afigro Iron and it's available on Amazon. It is acidic and that's why it also makes the soil acidic. The dose is 2 grams in 1 liter water and we can apply once in 25 to 30 days. Azaleas doesn't bloom in winter. That's why it's okay if we don't apply either this one or liquid fertilizers during that time. We can start applying from December onwards. Instead of this, we can also use aluminum sulfate 2 to 3 times. Dose is half teaspoon in 1 liter water and then we can apply directly in the soil. But I am getting much better result with Afigro Iron. One important note, I am not at all promoting any product. Normally I refer only those products which I use myself. If you do all these things, I am sure that your plants are also going to bloom well. There are many beautiful flowering plants that bloom in spring, means during this time. Like azaleas, now is the time for amaryllis as well. Very beautiful and easy to grow. In case you want to know everything with many updates, please do check out my next video. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Take care and enjoy.